Bayshore.
Ay, di back
Bye-bye
ko na
Bayshore.
I will be back ko na.
Bye-bye Bayshore for 1 year.
Yeah.
Bye-bye San Jose.
See you. Mga kasun.
Yeah, oh.
8 o'clock.
What?
Sabi na. Kaya masakyan, no? Ilan to? What's the other one? Sabi ko, it's facing. Kasi, hindi mo na open it. Open it. Ayun, nakita niya. Sabi ko, hindi ko na may sarap. Ganito ko na lang. You want my screen to open it? Ayun lang, sabi ko. Yes.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're Flight Deck First Officer speaking. This is RJ Trampas. As of now, we are 260 rock miles towards.
Here, gonna pay pagbalik. So, we asked him. Yung nagsabi sa akin. Para pagbalik, even he stay here na here. Pagbalik niya. Yeah, travel back.
Hindi siya ano.
And I was there sa mom. So, thank God. I know. Hintay ng 5:30. Tagal kayong naghihintay. Yeah, tagal. Luggage namin, 1 oras na naman. Alam mo nang magpo-post ako. Yan.
Wala, si Pipay, wala silang ano.